Hello and welcome guys, and I am here in front of you today to tell you about a very important development which has recently happened. It has happened a few hours back when the Institute of Cost Accountants of India have updated the syllabus for paper number 19. Yes, cost and management audit, two major amendments, two major updates have happened in cost and management audit paper, and for December 2019 and onward attempts, both these amendments will be applicable, and you have to study the amended rules or amended cost accounting standards. Sir, what are these two amendments? So we have been requesting the institute to give clarification on these two amendments for past few months. Finally, the institute has come up with the clarification, and the clarification is that number one, cost accounting standard 4 revised will be applicable for December 2019 attempt. Although the institute has not specified this in as many words, but since it has put it in the syllabus 2016 section, I presume that from December 2019 attempt, CAS 4 revised will be applicable. Sir, what is the difference between CAS 4 revised and CAS 4 old? Guys, CAS 4 old is made on the basis of excise duty, and CAS 4 revised is made on the basis of GST. Obviously, under the GST regime, CAS 4 revised should be applicable, and hence that revised for CAS, which was actually effective 1st March 2019, it was already effective for the companies, but in syllabus it was not effective, and the book study material was also made as per the old CAS. Now the new CAS is there in your syllabus, new CAS 4, and December 2019 onwards, most probably a notification will come very soon that CAS 4 revised will be applicable for December 2019 attempt onwards. Amendment number 2, update number 2, guys, the rules which we were reading, 2014 rules, they had been amended in 2015, 16, 17, also 18, but the 18 amendments were not applicable till June 2019 attempt. Listen to this very carefully. From December 2019 attempt onwards, the amendments which have been made in 2018 amendment rules will also be applicable. Sir, what are the differences? Guys, there are a lot of minute, small differences which are there in the 2018 updates and amendments to the rules. I'll be preparing a detailed video on both CAS 4 amendments as well as rules amendment, and will be posting it on my channel very soon. Broadly speaking, a few more products have been added to the list of table A and table B products which were prescribed by rule 3, and some more parameters like if AGM is conducted late by any company, then the cost audit time limit is also extended by that time. Some little amendments in procedures which were related to cost audit have also been amended. So I'll be preparing a video and will be coming up with these two things soon, but you please bear this thing in your mind that both these things have been amended, and your examination will come as per the amended rules and amended cost accounting standards. Guys, a quick time check. September has already started. We have barely 3 months at our hand, and within these 3 months we have to put in extra effort. Within these 3 months we have to really work hard and study hard to get qualified in December 2019 attempt. So all the very best and happy studying. For latest updates and information on entire CMA profession, just subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to get notification on the latest videos which are being uploaded on the channel. For products related to paper number 19, paper number 20 for final students, and paper number 12 for intermediate students, log on to www.agrawallawhouse.com. It contains the compilation of handwritten notes, books, reference materials and video lectures of these 3 subjects. If you have any further query or you want to speak to me personally for any kind of counseling, you can call me at the number given on the screen.